Let's be real, you know what you need to do. Work out, save money, build that side hustle, but between I'll start tomorrow and I'm just not feeling it today, your goals keep collecting dust. Here's the hard truth. Success isn't about motivation, it's about discipline. And discipline, it's just refusing to negotiate with yourself. Why you keep making excuses and how to stop one. Your brain is a master manipulator. It will always choose comfort over growth. Fix this. When you hear I don't feel like it, reply, I didn't ask. The 5-second rule? Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move before your brain talks you out of it. 2. You confuse hard with impossible. Skipping the gym? Not hard, just uncomfortable. Fix this. Say this is supposed to feel difficult. That's the point. 3. You reward the wrong behavior. Hitting snooze equals instant relief. Pushing through equals delayed pride. Fix this. Reward discipline immediately. Example, check off a box, do a victory dance. 3-step no excuses. Framework 1. The non-negotiable list. Pick 3 daily actions. Example, workout, study, no junk food. These are not up for debate like brushing your teeth. 2. Embrace the suck. Discipline will feel awful at first. Do it anyway. The pain of discipline hurts less than the pain of regret. 3rd, track or crack. No tracking equals no accountability. Use a calendar, app, or sticky notes. Streaks are addictive. Call to action. Today's challenge, pick one thing you've been avoiding. Do it for 5 minutes, no negotiation. Come back and tell me. Did you out-discipline your excuses? Final thought. Excuses sound best to the person making them. Your future self doesn't care about your reasons, just your results. Drop a comment. What's one excuse you're deleting today?